was lost early to the shadows. At 15, a woman overnight, trying to raise my newborn all alone, feeling helpless in the fight. Went to war with the streets, but lost that battle. Sank into the night, hope slipping through my hands, disappearing from my sight. In time I fell to darkness, chained to the needle's call. Couldn't escape the devil's blood, caught in its evil claw. Tried every program, broke every promise, sank deeper with every fall, dragging the chains of shame through the wreckage of it all. I fought with all my strength, but my strength was never enough, till I laid down my pride and said, Lord, I've had enough. You led the way when I couldn't see the path. I had to walk it, but you held me through the wrath. The struggle was intense, and nights were long and deep. You never let me go, it was me you fought to keep. Nothing man could do, only you could set me free. Jesus, my Savior, you brought victory to me. Led down a road I never would have traveled, dark and scary on my own, playing Russian roulette with my life. Stranger in my own home, surrender my will. Say, God, show me the road. You lit up the darkness, your mercy overflowed. I tried to climb alone, but kept slipping back down. Then I let you take the lead, and you turned my life around. You led the way when I couldn't see the path. I had to walk it, but you held me through the wrath. The struggle was intense, and nights were long and deep. You never let me go, it was me you fought to keep. Nothing man could do, only you could set me free. Jesus, my Savior, you brought victory to me. From the grip of death, you raised me up to life. Broke every chain, turned my sorrow into light. From the ashes I rose, my heart leaps like a deer. No more grave clothes, no more shame to wear. I lift my voice in triumph, your glory fills the air. I'm alive in your love, your grace is beyond compare. You restored the path and you led me home. I had to walk it out, but I was never on my own. The fight was heavy, but your love outshined the pain. You bore the cost, you called my name. No.